Hi everyone, and welcome back. I've always loved music and I've always followed the different trends and genre of music, whether it be jazz or country, pop, classical, R&B, or even rock music. In fact, I have a favorite rock song, and I'll share it with you today. It's found in Psalm 40, where we read how God delivers the man from the miry clay, and he puts his feet upon the rock of salvation and puts a new song in his heart, a song of praise and of worship. And it says a song that many will see and many will hear, and they will put their trust in the Lord. That's my favorite rock song. You see, when our feet are on the rock of Jesus Christ, there's a song that emanates from us. It's not a song of fear, it's a song of faith. It's not a song of worry or anxiety, but it's a song of peace. It's not a song of anger or frustration, it's a song of joy. It's not a song of hatred or bitterness, but it's a song of forgiveness and the love of God. This rock is the revelation of Jesus Christ and what he accomplished for us on the cross. When I understand what Jesus did and I accept the work of the cross in my life, it deals with all of these ungodly, unrighteous, and fleshly attitudes. And it brings a song from within. It's a song that I'm not manufacturing. I'm not forcing myself to sing a happy song. I'm not forcing myself to sing a song of joy and of victory. No. It's something that's natural, and it's something that emanates and flows from deep within. There's nothing like it. There's nothing to replace it. So I encourage you, I urge you to make sure that when you get out of bed in that morning, put your feet on the rock and stand on the rock throughout the day. Don't allow your feet to slip. Don't allow your feet to be swayed or in any other place, but stand on the rock. Have that determination and express in your heart that song. That's what Paul says in Ephesians chapter 5. He says, we're not drunk with wine as others are, but we're filled with the Spirit. We're singing to ourselves and others in hymns and songs and spiritual praise, making our worship unto the Lord. What a joy, what a privilege. That's the rock song that you need to have. God bless.